once again, there's no battery in there at all. This is the battery itself. Got to be setting it right inside here now. This is how it's going to be. Just like this. Slides like this, and it clicks just right away. What did I just do? There's a red button here, there's a red knob here. When the battery is inserted right into the back of the laptop, you slide it here, to clip it, and it's locked, safe and sound. HP EliteBook 9470. Let's turn it on for you guys and see. I see the percentage as well. Right now it's turned on. Voila! The laptop is on, guys. So it's loading the windows. Sound of the cooling fan. Another look. Can you hear that? That sound, guys. That sound. Sounds like a rocket engine. That's about to take off. Oh, got something up for me.
Wow.
So what battery percentage do you see here? It's a little bit fair. Maybe 70-60%. Let's get into the business. Let's put my code.